2019 Hyundai Kona. If you want to reset the maintenance reminder, the oil light reminder, you're going to use the button on the steering wheel right here, and you're going to use the cluster. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit the button right here. You're going to hit it over to that gear symbol. And you're going to use these arrows here, and you're going to go down to service interval, and you're going to hit OK. Currently the interval on this car is turned off. You can turn it on or turn it off right there where that check is. Now it's on, and I'm going to go down. And if yours is on and you want to reset it, go down to reset and hit OK, and it'll ask you if you want to reset the distance. Here's where you're going to adjust the interval. You can pretty much set it for anything you like. Okay. Ask you for the months. Would you like to save? Again, you can turn this off, which is kind of a plus. Go ahead and turn it on, turn it off. And that's 60,000 miles, which is kind of a lot of miles. I'll go over here and we'll go with, let's see what we got here. 300 miles. I did that wrong again. Okay. We're gonna go to 3,000 miles. 20 months. There we go. And go back.